Britain rises because her people have reached breaking point. For too long, families have worked harder, yet lived with less. Inflation has eaten away at wages, and the cost of living crisis has forced millions to choose between heating and eating. In 2023, food prices rose at their fastest rate in 45 years. Mortgage rates hit levels not seen since 2008. And still, those in charge told us to tighten our belts, whilst they claimed their expenses and enjoyed privileges the people can only dream of. Britain rises because our borders are broken. In the last decade, net migration into the United Kingdom has more than doubled. In 2022 alone, net migration hit over 600,000, the highest figure ever recorded. Successive governments promised control, but what the people see is chaos. Strain on housing, strain on schools, strain on the NHS. A nation that cannot manage who enters is a nation that has lost its grip on sovereignty. Britain rises because voices are being silenced. Across our country, ordinary men and women feel afraid to speak their minds. Say the wrong thing, and you risk losing your job. Share the wrong opinion, and you are branded, shamed, and sometimes even investigated. A 2021 poll by the Free Speech Union found that the majority of Britons now self-censor for fear of punishment. But a free country cannot survive without free speech. The British people know this truth, and they will not stay silent forever. Britain rises because our pride is fading. Statues of our heroes are pulled down. Our history is rewritten. Our flag is mocked. Our traditions are dismissed as relics of the past. And yet, these are the very things that built this island nation into one of the greatest on earth. Winston Churchill once said, "A nation that forgets its past has no future." The people have not forgotten. The lion has not forgotten. Britain rises because our leaders have failed. We were told that politics was about service, honor, and duty. But time and again, politicians put themselves first. They partied in lockdown while the people grieved. They claimed honesty, yet were caught in scandal. They promised prosperity, but delivered division. And while the people tightened their belts, members of parliament awarded themselves a pay rise in 2023, taking their salary to over £86,000 a year. Out of touch, out of reach, out of excuses. And sir, the lion has risen. From the villages to the cities, from Scotland to Wales, from Northern Ireland to England, the people are stirring. They rise not with violence, but with unity. They rise not with hate, but with pride. They rise not to destroy, but to restore what was lost. Shoulder to shoulder, we stand as one people, one voice, one nation. We stand for our families, our freedoms, and our future. We stand for those who came before us, who fought and bled for the right to call this land our home. And we stand for those who will come after us, who deserve a country stronger, prouder, freer than the one we see today. This is why Britain rises. The lion has woken, and the people will be heard.